guys, in today's video, I'm really excited to be showing you how you can bypass the ban in USA and download TikTok for absolutely free. As you can see, I do have TikTok installed on my phone. Right here, I'm gonna go ahead and scroll around and just show you that it absolutely works just fine, and every feature works just as normal. So I'm gonna go ahead and delete TikTok and basically show you from scratch how you can download it after it was removed from the App Store and Play Store in the USA. So what you're gonna want to do, guys, here I'm gonna go ahead and show you that if I go into the App Store and type in TikTok, TikTok will say it's not available in my region because I'm located in the US. So I'm going to show you how you can get TikTok downloaded onto your phone. So go ahead and type in any browser that you guys have, tkinstaller.com. Make sure you spell the site correctly, guys. That's tkinstaller.com. Once you spell the site out correctly, it should take you to this site right here, where all you're gonna have to do is click on proceed and inject. And what this is gonna do, it's gonna get all of the necessary TikTok files ready to be downloaded and injected onto your device. Now you can go ahead and connect your main account to this TikTok hack, or whatever you guys want to call it, and it will work just fine. You can go ahead and scroll around, you can post videos, you can do anything that you can do on the normal TikTok app while in the USA. So this is a very good app. I have been using it for a while now, since it got removed from the App Store and Google Play Store, and it has been a blast just going and scrolling around TikTok. So I'm going to show you how this looks like. Once this finishes loading, you're going to have to do one last final step, and then afterwards you're going to have the TikTok downloaded onto your phone completely for free. So once you're on this site, click on continue, and it's going to take you to this last and very final step, where all you have to do is install two free apps below, then restart your phone to add the TikTok app to your device. So what you're going to want to do is click on install and click on next. It's going to take you to the original App Store or Google Play Store, it depends. And I'm gonna go ahead and click on download. Now you do have to download two of the listed apps and run them for 30 seconds. So because you need to download two, I'm gonna go back to the website, choose the second one, install, next, same process as always, and it's gonna take you to the App Store once again, so you know these games aren't weird or anything like that. And what I'm gonna do is just go ahead and download this second one right here. Now, once both of them are downloaded, you're gonna go ahead and open each one up and then run it for 30 seconds. So I'm gonna open this one up, and just make sure that you guys remember that these games or applications may be completely different to you than they are for me. It really does not matter what the games or apps are. All that matters is that you're opening them up and playing them for at least 30 seconds. I'm pretty sure that is without counting the loading screen time. So without counting loading screen time, make sure you are spending the required amount of time in these games. So I'm going to go ahead and connect these little things and just show you how this game works. It really does not matter. You can go ahead and delete the game afterwards. It's really not important at all. All that's important is making sure that you are spending the required amount of time in each application. Now, once you've done 30 seconds in the first one, go ahead and open up the second app as well. These games may be completely different to you than they are for me. It all depends on the region that you're located in, but I'm gonna go ahead and show you how this looks like. Here I'm just gonna complete the tutorial real fast. It's gonna make me just clear these brushes or whatever they are, and then I should be passing around 30-second mark right here. So just to be extra safe, you guys can spend the extra amount of time in each game or application, just so you know you're hitting that 30-second threshold. So I'm gonna go ahead and do what tutorial is asking me to do, and then once I've gotten to this rock right about now, I'm gonna go ahead and close the game in just a second. And afterwards, once I do that, guys, I'm gonna wait on my home screen. You don't have to do anything, and as you can see, after I wait a couple of seconds, this will vary depending on the Wi-Fi, but TikTok will automatically start installing. As you can see, I do have TikTok installed on my phone completely for free, guys, completely zero hassle. And just to prove to you that this is the real TikTok app and I'm not lying to you, as you can see, as soon as I open up, TikTok will open up, and you can go ahead and connect your main account and scroll around TikTok and just make sure that you have access to every feature which you do. Thanks so much for watching, guys, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.